All right, so we are done with the nav. So let me close all of this for a moment. So this is what we have. We have the page wrapper, we have the nav. This global styles is something, that has to do with client first. Just don't worry about it, okay? We have the nav bar, we have the main wrapper. Inside the main wrapper, oops, give me a second here. Okay, let's start again. We have the main wrapper. Inside the main wrapper, now we have the section, home, header, and or what have you. So inside the main wrapper, we are going to build out that other section, which is this one here. Now we're going to call this statistics section, or section statistics, or not section. We're going to say components. We're not going to use a section. We're going to say components. Now notice how this component is spanning through left and right. The background is cut across all, the left and right. So what we're going to do is try to build this out. So we're not going to build it out inside the section hero. We're going to build it outside the section home hero. So inside the main wrapper, we're going to bring in a div block here. Now this is the div block, and we're going to say stats component. Let's say component, just call it component underscore statistics. Right, statistics. Okay, that is that. Now inside of it, we're going to say a div block again. We're going to say this div block is let's have a look again. Okay, let's have a look again. Now inside the component, we're going to have a wrapper that is going to wrap all of these numbers. So we're going to say statistics underscore wrapper. All right, statistics underscore wrapper. Now inside of it, we're going to get a div block again. Now we're going to say statistics underscore content. So this is for each content. All right, so the wrapper is going to wrap all of this, and the content is for each content, like this. All right, so now let us give our component this color, this background color. Come here like this, go to component statistics, and give it the color we want to give it. Now for a start, let's just see the height of this is 160, right? The height of the background or the component. So we're going to say here, let's just see height 160 pixel, but we're not going to use pixel as usual. 160 divided by 16 rem. That's equivalent of 10 rem. So this is it, 10 rem. Now we've done that. All right, we've done that. Now what next is we're going to flex this component so that all the children will be aligned in the center. See how it's at the center and it's in the middle. So we're going to say but before that, let's just get a hold of what we are going to do. Then this wrapper, we have this content. Now inside of this statistics content, let us bring in a heading. All right, and this text, heading and text. Now let's do that. Bring in a heading, obviously a h3. Now okay, call it 100%, and also a text. So let's say text block. Let's paste that in. That's the text. Now this is not looking good. Now this heading h3 is white from here, is white here and white here. What we're gonna do here is just gonna say there is a class, there's a style that changes text to white. All right, in our style guide, it's called text color. Yeah, oops, sorry. It's called tex, that text color black, text color gray, text color white. Just click on text color white. It changes your black to red. Also for this other one, we're going to do the same thing. Text color, what am I doing? Text color white. Good. Now we have this two whites. The two contents are white. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to say statistics content. You need to be horizontally aligned like this, side by side. All right, not vertically. like this. So just click on statistics content as the content, and as usual, display flex box. It's now horizontal. Now we have a spacing here of 24 pixel in between. So the gap, we're just going to say 1.5 rem. All right, so now have that align center. This one here says 100%. Says 100%. Okay, we have 100%. Now notice this 100% is 64, like it's very big. All right, 64. So what that means is we cannot use heading 3 here. As a matter of fact, we're not even using this heading 3. I'll just take it out, delete it, and I'm just going to say text. Let's use a text block instead. All right, text block, and we're going to call this text block. We're going to give it a unique class name. We're going to say a custom class name. Let's say statistics start heading. So start heading. Okay, so that's the start heading. Now we're going to say the size is 64. Yeah, so 64 divided by 16 rem, that's basically 4 rem big. I'm just going to say 100%. Good. Now we're on track. 100%. Now this is white. This is where you can, since it's a custom class, you can just give it white from here directly, right? Now we have this. Now this is good. This is good. This is good. But mind you, this text is in 2 lines, not just 1 line. That means our frame or our div block is supposed to just be, here we have the width of 450, or let's say 460 width. What we can do is to limit the width of this statistics content div block to 460 pixel. That's in rem. 460 divided by 16 rem. Boom. Now we have that. Let's just say 28 rem in total. All right, 28 rem in total. So we have this as 28 rem. I'm just going to copy and paste this statistics content. Control C, Control V. Oops. Okay. I'm just going to copy, Control C, Control V. Now I pasted it up to 3 times, but it is pasting vertically. I'm just going to go to the parent statistics wrapper again and just say, very simple, display horizontal. All right, so it's going to display the children, which is these 3 statistics content. These are the children. It's going to display it horizontally. Now it's displayed horizontally. I'm going to align, but it's at the top, it's not in the middle. I'm going to align it to the center. Right? Oops, still did not work. Nothing is working. Align it to the center. Okay, this component 2, just say display horizontal, align center. You don't even have to do for this one. Oops, you have to, sorry. Okay, that is it. Now we have this like this, but notice now we have an overflowing content. Doesn't make sense. How do we stop that from happening? Just, you want to go to statistics, component statistics. You want to say overflow heading. But before we do that, why is it having an overflow? It's not supposed to. Let's just replace the content. All right, we have 24-hour customer support. So we have here, instead of 100, 24, here is customer support. So after bringing in the new content, I don't think we'll have that overflow issue again. And the third one here, we have 10 years banking experience. So here is going to just be 10 years banking experience. Okay, see, we still have the overflow stuff going on, because you know why? Because our statistics content, I gave it a height of 28 rem. But what we can do is to just remove the height entirely, reset it. Now we reset it. Then come on here to this wrapper, which is the parent, and say justify it evenly at start to end. Okay, maybe these statistics components do the same. Maybe center or evenly. Justify it evenly. They're still together with each other. That's very weird. Okay, just statistics wrapper. Let's make it 100%. Okay, this is the catch. Good, 100%. Now it fits perfectly well. But then, let's preview and see. Look at, this is very wrong. This is not what we want from our design. See where it's starting from. So what we can do is we can just, say component statistics. Maybe justify center. Oops, justify center. Then we can now say the gap should be 2 rem each. Maybe 5 rem. This is one way to do it. There are several ways, but this is one way. So this is how I was able to, but no, let's not do it like this. This is not what I'll do. This is wrong. I'm not going to do like this. What I'm going to do is this statistics content, we're going to give it a height. Sorry, a width. Let's say 20 rem. Good. 22 rem. Good, this is perfect. 22 rem. And also like this. Okay. Sometimes to make these decisions are kind of hard. Okay, let's use this. Space around. Distribute evenly with space around all children. Okay, this is what we're going to use. It's perfect. All right, this is perfect. This is perfect. Now, what I don't want to do, I don't want to like hit. I don't want to break it. Some people will want to like break it, like after customer, they want to say enter, support, go down. I don't want to do like this. It doesn't make sense to break your text. Instead you can give it a height, a width, instead. Like this statistics content can have a maximum width or a width instead. Okay. Now we are done with that. Let's try to add this line. This line is something that, it's not that hard to implement. So what we can do for that, we're going to use this statistical content as our line breaker. You can either bring it in as an image, I think so. You can bring it in as an image, or you can use, let's try something. You can use this border to the left, just only the left, and like this, something like this. You can say width 2 or 2.5 pixel, just 2.5, something like this, and give it a padding, something like this, 40 rem. Okay, something like this, So to take this one out, this video is getting too long, this particular one. Let's take this one out. You can just say, okay, let's take this out first. Let's take it out. No styles, nothing. So for the second one, you want to say with line, a combo class with line. All right, now we have a combo class. This is where you can now do that. Make it like this. Make it 2.5 pixels. And yeah, that's it. This one too, you want to add a combo class with line. Yep. And boom, you killed it. Forgive me just for this one here, maybe 3 rem. Okay, and boom, here you have it. But this is where we're going to stop. In the next video, we're going to try to bring this banner to the top so it covers half of the phone as we have it here. So this is what we have. So see you guys in the next class.